Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. On our last video, we would have signed up for KDP and was able to open an account. And you would recall that we got a caution saying that our account information is incomplete. This video is going to provide you with the details to update this information to ensure that you are able to receive payment. So once you have signed into your Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing page, it should take you here and you should be seeing this caution mark here. Once you have arrived at this page, we should now click on Update Now. When you select Update Now, it will take you to My Account. So what I'm going to do right now is enter my country of region, and you will select your appropriate country. Once this is done, you are to enter your full name, your address, postal code, and contact number. I'm going to do that at this time. Go straight down to the Getting Paid section. In this section, you need to provide your bank information to receive electronic royalty payments. Right, so you select the country where your bank is located, or if you don't have a bank account, you can select I don't have a bank account. For the purpose of this video, we will select I don't have a bank account. If you select you don't have a bank account, your payments will automatically be paid via check. And once you have done that part and you have filled out all the information appropriately, you click the Save button. Once you have clicked the Save button, the Complete Tax Information button will appear to allow you to fill out the tax information part of your account. Fill out the above information, select Complete Tax Information. Firstly, they will say, what is your tax classification? Select individual, whether you are a U.S. citizen, etc. Because this video is for non-U.S. citizens, we will select no. The third question, you also select no. For all those questions, they're going to ask you for some additional information, your full name, country of citizenship. So at this time, I will fill out that information, and you have to verify your permanent address and mailing address, etc. Once you have filled out that part, the tax identification number will be requested. If you have a TIN, that will normally be for U.S. citizens, you can select that. If you're a non-U.S. citizen and you have a tax ID for your issuing country, you can enter that information here. If not, just simply uncheck this button and then select I could not or have not obtained a TIN from any local authorities because of other reasons, and select Continue. Once you've selected Continue, the consent will be provided. You are to read through the information and make sure everything is good. Put your signature here, and the date will automatically be included. And then you say Save and Preview. It should take you to this page, the tax information interview page, whereby you can go through the information to make sure that what you provided is accurate. Once everything you have provided is accurate, you submit the form. After you have done this, you would then be validated by Amazon and entitled to receive royalty payments for any publications uploaded and published on the Amazon KDP platform. Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.